Meaning of equity.
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 Equity. Equity refers to the ownership interest that a person or entity holds in a company or property. It represents the residual value of an asset after subtracting its liabilities. Essentially, equity is what is left over when all debts and obligations are paid off. Equity can be measured in various ways, including through stock ownership, which grants shareholders a percentage of ownership in a company proportional to the number of shares they hold. Having equity in a property or business can provide financial benefits such as potential profits and voting rights, but also carries the risk of potential losses.